Welcome to Cyber Theo. Today, we're discussing an essential component of home comfort and air quality, HVAC air filters. These filters are crucial in maintaining clean air in your home, trapping dust, allergens, and other particles. I'll be covering the pros and cons of the 3 best HVAC air filters of 2024, helping you choose the right one for your system. Let's get into it. Filtrete Healthy Living Ultimate Allergen Reduction Filter, MPR 1900. Pros. High filtration efficiency. This filter has a MERV 13 rating, which means it captures a significant percentage of airborne particles, including dust, pollen, smoke, and bacteria. MPR 1900 rating. The High Microparticle Performance Rating, MPR, ensures it captures even the smallest particles, improving indoor air quality significantly. Long-lasting, designed to last up to 3 months, reducing the frequency of replacements. Enhanced allergen defense, particularly effective for homes with pets or allergy sufferers, as it traps a wide range of allergens. Cons. Reduced airflow. Due to its high filtration capability, it may slightly restrict airflow, which can cause your HVAC system to work harder. Higher cost, priced higher than basic filters, which might be a concern for budget-conscious consumers. Honeywell Elite Allergen Pleated Air Filter, MERV 12. Pros. Balanced filtration. With a MERV 12 rating, it provides excellent filtration of common household allergens like dust mites, mold spores, and pet dander, while still maintaining good airflow. Pleated design. The pleated design increases the surface area, allowing it to capture more particles without clogging up too quickly. Affordable, more cost-effective than higher MERV-rated filters, making it a good balance between performance and price. Available in various sizes, fits most HVAC systems, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of setups. Cons. Moderate filtration. While effective, it may not capture ultrafine particles like a MERV 13 or higher filter would. Lifespan. Needs to be replaced every 2 to 3 months, slightly more frequently than some higher-end filters. Nordic Pure Carbon Pleated Air Filter, MERV 12. Pros. Odor control. Infused with activated carbon, this filter not only captures particles but also helps to eliminate odors from cooking, pets, and smoking. Good filtration. With a MERV 12 rating, it effectively captures dust, pollen, and other airborne particles, improving overall air quality. Dual functionality. Combines particle filtration with odor control, making it a great choice for households concerned with both air purity and smells. Eco-friendly. The materials used are environmentally conscious, appealing to eco-minded consumers. Cons. Slightly higher cost. The added carbon layer can increase the cost compared to standard pleated filters. Reduced airflow. Like other high-efficiency filters, it may reduce airflow slightly, which can impact HVAC system performance if not regularly replaced. And that concludes our review of the 3 best home HVAC air filters of 2024. Each of these filters brings something unique to the table, whether it's enhanced allergen defense, odor control, or a balance between cost and performance. Make sure to choose a filter that matches your home's specific needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo. Check my links below for more content.